how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the M1 iPad Pro 12.9 inch on the latest beta, the beta 1 of iPadOS 17. And how has been my experience using this iPad on this version and what all things I have noticed. I am not going to talk about any new things, what is new in this update or anything related to that, because we are already aware about. This is probably not the first video you're watching about iPadOS 17. So assuming that, and I have made a lot of videos explaining what all new features are here on the iOS 17 and iPadOS 17. iOS features are, most of the iOS features are on the iPad as well, so you can watch my previous videos if you want to know more about the features. But let's get right into today's video and talk about the user experience of iPadOS 17 on this beautiful piece of tech. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and now that you have done that, let's get right into today's video. Alright, so first of all, using this iPad on the iPadOS 17 without keyboard. Finally, using iPad without keyboards just gets better now. iPadOS 17, before the iPadOS 17, I used to use my iPad with the keyboard. I have the SmartFolio keyboard and I used to use the SmartFolio keyboard pretty much all the time. And trust me, using a 12.9 inch iPad Pro with a keyboard 24/7 is just a whole another level of pain, because it is just more heavier than even my MacBook Air. So I would rather use my MacBook than this iPad. UI changes that we have got, and basically the user interface, it is not changed as much as you think. At first look, you won't even notice that there are as many changes as there should be, as it is a new iPadOS version. There must have been more changes than you expect, but no, there aren't many new changes. It is about experience. When you start using it, the small minute details such as using the keyboard on the iPad screen gets better. The keyboard is now much more user friendly to type on than using Safari without keyboard. Of course, using keyboard, a physical keyboard is always going to be better, but I'm just talking about without keyboard. Using it without keyboard, my iPad 12.9 inch, of course it being 12.9 inch, it is not that comfortable to type on regardless, but using it, the new keyboard features and how the new keyboard feels, it is just much better than earlier. I am seeing myself using my iPad without keyboard more often than I used to. Of course, using a keyboard will obviously make your experience much better than using a 12.9 inch display in your hand. I would not really recommend everyone to use your iPad without a keyboard regardless. It is a great investment. I really love my SmartFolio keyboard, so you should also go ahead and get a keyboard for your iPad. Even a third-party one would help, but make sure to get it, because this is an expensive piece of tech, and 12.9 inch models are really expensive. You know how much you paid for that thing, so you don't want it to just break that easily. The battery life is something which is really bad, and I am not sad about it because it is the beta 1. Betas are notorious to have bad battery life, and so does this beta. It does not disappoint us, and it has really bad battery life. I am getting about 6 hours of screen on time doing browsing and casual gamings. 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time, that is really pathetic, I know, and I'm using my device on full brightness all the time pretty much, so that plays a major role, as my iPad has, the M1 iPad has mini LED display, and using the mini LED display to the peak brightness will deplete your battery life much quicker. Overall, it is a great update, but do I recommend you guys to install it on your M1 iPad Pro? The answer is no. The M1 iPad Pro is a really amazing iPad, and it is not that your iPad won't able to handle this update or give you lagginess or anything. See, it is not good to install a beta on your device. There is a reason that Apple has not went ahead and just released it to the public, because it is just not ready. There can be really bad issues which can result in breaking your iPad, losing your data and overheating of your iPad, and many more things. There is a reason it is not available to the public yet. Of course, now you can do it. Apple has made the developer profile free, so you can go ahead and install it on your device without paying or doing anything. It is free and you can do it. But do I recommend it? The answer is no. Even then, if you really want to install it, I would suggest you guys to please take a backup on your MacBook and then do it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Let me know down in comments below, have you enjoyed watching this video till the end? And if you have, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Let me know down in comments below if you guys are interested me to cover more iPad stuff. That's me, Jay, signing off. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.